Thank you very much. Some Kentucky legislators are voicing their concerns about President Obama's health care plan. The plan now heads to a House committee where lawmakers are expected to make revisions and submit their own plans. WYMT's Ashley Reynolds spent the day getting reaction from Kentucky lawmakers.
Congressman Hale Rogers says if President Obama's health care plan passes, it could do more harm than good.
If this bill becomes law that's in the House in its current form, a lot of people will lose their health care coverage. They'll be forced into a government-run plan, and that means that bureaucrats in Washington would determine what drugs and treatments you get, not your doctor.
Earlier Thursday morning on the Senate floor, Senator McConnell expressed the same views for Kentucky.
I've talked to the hospitals in Kentucky who are really worried about the impact these Medicare cuts would have on the services that Kentucky hospitals currently provide to seniors. And I'd encourage all of my colleagues to talk to the people who care for patients day in and day out at hospitals in their own states and see what they have to say about this proposal.
McConnell and Rogers are also worried about small businesses. They say the president's health care plan could lead to more job losses because small businesses will have a new tax. With the unemployment rate reaching 10%, McConnell says it's too much of a burden in our economic climate.
Under the House bill, taxes on some small businesses could rise as high as roughly 45%. Let me say that again. Taxes on small business up to 45%.
Speaker of the House Nancy Pelosi admits there will be folks who have to pay more under this plan.
There is going to be a revenue change at the high end. It will be directly to reduce the deficit or to reduce the deficit by helping to cover the cost.
President Obama insists it's better to get money from those at the high end of the income scale.
You can afford it. Either give your employees health insurance or pay into the pot so that we're not subsidizing it.
The president wants lawmakers to pass a comprehensive bill before going home for the summer recess.
That was Ashley Reynolds reporting. Now, the proposed health care plan is the topic of our latest web poll. You can vote right now on our web channel, WYMTnews.com. Also on the web, you can see Senator Mitch McConnell's entire floor speech from this morning. You can find it on Ashley's blog at WYMTnews.com. We also tried to get a response from Democratic Congressman Ben Chandler, but he